Ooh! You want it so bad.
Okay.
Okay. You want this? You want it? You want it? Here. 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 Ooh. Ooh, yes. Look at him. What does his tongue remind you of? That character in Ice Age that gets his tongue stuck to the pole.
Scrat?
Scrap. Ooh, Jasper. Put some peanut butter in your mouth first. He's still thinking whether he should have some or not. Ooh, 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 Jasper, here. Okay, lay down, sit, lay down, sit, lay down, crawl, sit, lay down. Okay, never mind. Here. Yes. Ooh, you want some here? Here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, it's yours. Yeah, it's yours. Stand up. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yes. Ooh, you like it. Jasper. Hey. Hey. Jasper. He doesn't know what to do with it. It's stuck in his teeth. Jasper, it's just peanut butter, baby. Ooh, peanut butter. You like it, don't you?
Ooh! Ooh!
Is that good?